Hi, this is Greg with Online Diamond Plate.
So you just got your diamond plate box. I'm sure you're super excited to open it. The easiest way we found is if you can get a flathead screwdriver and a utility knife, preferably with a sharp blade. So you can start by using the flathead screwdriver to get under your staples. You can see when you can kind of go into the middle of them. They pop out that way, kind of go under each side. Both sides are open, you just pick a line. So you can start. Doesn't have to be bad, just gotta get from end to end. The dual wall you might have in these places, you gotta give it a second time. And voila! Close your blade. Pull open the diamond plate box. Pull the hex plate out. When we open it, you can just, it's actually important, find this edge. The edge that's going to come up. If you put that on the bottom, you can pull it apart like a shoelace. It'll pop open and then gently lift up. You can put your back hand behind it, front hand in front of it, and it'll just kind of unroll. Roll that way. Your diamond plate is unrolled and unpacked. You can see that this might have a little bit of memory. A lot of times there will be a little bend in it, and usually it's a pretty easy problem to solve. If you just take the sheet itself and then roll it or turn it on its other side, so turn it completely over. So now the memory is going down, and then if you roll it, it can be a really big roll. It doesn't have to be super tight. If you do it too tight, it can bend the material, so you need to be careful. If you take a big kind of bend and roll it back on itself against the problem area, this will help a lot in just making that memory go away. So roll it back on itself. You can see it's quite a bit flatter. And then you can roll it back again on itself. You can see it's pretty much back to normal, totally flat. If it still causes a problem, one thing you can do is put a piece of OSB plywood. You take a piece of plywood or a piece of drywall, anything kind of heavy, you can set the plywood on top of the material. If you put it on top of the material for a couple hours, it should flatten out that last little bit if you have problems with rolling it back on itself.
Like, subscribe, and check out onlinediamondplate.com.